Hello everyone, my name is Mohit. In this video, we will see different type of networking commands. So our first command is conf. If you want to know your IP address, means IP address of your machine, you can use command config in the Linux machine. I'm using Ubuntu 20. I'm using IP config command. You can see this is my IP address. This is my net mask. You can say it is a subnet mask. And this is the broadcast head. And this is the NIC network interface. So my computer, means this Linux, is using ENS33 as an Ethernet card. If you want to know your gateway address, you can use IP root. This one, 192.168.132.2 is our gateway address. You can use a short. Instead of typing IP root, you can use IPR. You can see command is this one. This command is also giving me same thing. So this is my gateway. If you want to know the active connection of your computer, you can use command netstat. So first of all, clear netstat A. Netstat A will tell you the active connection. So here you have to scroll up. So let's scroll up. So these are the connections. If you see listen here, listen state means your computer is acting as a server machine. Means your computer is giving service to another computer, to the client. You can see my computer is using MySQL address, my computer is using some service and this IP address. Yeah, this port number, definitely this port number belongs to the Redis service. Next command is ls lookup. If you want to know your DNS server access, so you can use command ls lookup name server lookup. So here you can find the DNS address of the any domain. Any domain. You can use consider if you can use google.com. This is the IP of google.com and the IP address of google.com. So in this way you can get the IP address of any domain. And this is your server address. Means your DNS server address. So I hope you get the sense how to check the DNS server, how to check the own IP, how to check the gateway IP. In the next video, we will see how to install Python in Linux. So bye everyone, bye bye.